welcome for today's lesson. This is biology reproduction, and today I'm going to talk about cell division. Cell division is a process whereby the pre-existing cells will divide to form new cells. So when you talk of cell division, we have two types of cell division. So we look at the types of cell division. We start with the mitosis. And you'll find that mitosis is also a process whereby a cell divides to form or to increase in number. And you found that when mitosis takes place, it leads to growth of cells in the body. So the main function, the main aim of mitosis is for cell to divide to bring about growth. So that is mitosis. It's a cell division of cells to increase cells number and it leads to growth. So we look at the importance of mitosis, and we found that mitosis is very important because if the cells are increasing in number, it means that it leads to growth. So we say that it leads to growth of somatic or body cells. We call them somatic or body cells. And then number two, you found that mitosis is also important because when cell division takes place, it ensures that the daughter cells have the same number as the parents, the same number of chromosomes as the parents. So these are the two importance of mitosis. Second, we look at meiosis. It is the second cell division, and this one involves division of the cells to bring about gametes. And those gametes are haploid. So when you talk of haploid, it means these gametes will not have the same number as the parent. It have the number of chromosomes. And therefore, we look at the importance of this meiosis. Meiosis, we have two importance of meiosis. First of all, as we have seen from definition, it will lead to formation of gametes. Then importance number two, you found that it leads to or it causes variation. It causes variation due to formation of gametes. Thank you for watching this lesson. I encourage you to subscribe for more knowledge on reproduction.